Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is fine. I am Naya Babar here to teach you grade 1 English. Let's start the video. In the last one class we have read the poem Good Morning. I hope you have learned the difficult words. In today's video we will do the exercise of Good Morning poem. Take out your English language workbook. Page 7. Let's start from exercise A. When do you say good morning? Tick the correct answer. Okay, you have to correct the right answer. Number 1, when you get up in the morning. Number 2, when you come back from school. Number 3, when you go to sleep. When you say good morning? Yes, when you get up in the morning. The B exercise is write T for true for the correct statement and false for the wrong one. True means tick and false mean cross. Okay, so you have to the cockerel crows at night. No, the cockerel crows at morning. So this one is false. Next one is we say good morning to everyone. Yes, true. We say good morning to everyone. Number 3 is it is not wise to sleep early. This one is false because it is wise to sleep early, but they are saying not. C1 question is complete the sentence from the poem. This is the only way to be. क्या था? This is the only way to be. Yes. Healthy, wealthy, and wise. ठीक है, these are the 3 ways which are healthy, wealthy and wise. The 4D1 is give one word that rhymes with. Rhyming words are the words with the same ending sound. ठीक है, जिनके ending sound same होते हैं. Now look at the first one, rise. ठीक है, we have to find in the poem rise के साथ same ending sound किसकी होती है? rise. Yes. Wise. W-I-S-E. Wise. Next one is healthy. Healthy इसका rhyming word क्या होगा? साउंड किसकी होती है? राइज. यस. वाइज. W-I-S-E. वाइज. नेक्स्ट वन इज हेल्दी. हेल्दी इसका राइमिंग वर्ड क्या होगा? फाइंड इट इन द पोएम. वेल्दी. नेक्स्ट वन इज थ्रोज. थ्रोज का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या होगा? क्रूज. नाउ लुक एट दिस. राइस. वाइस. चेक करें, देयर एंडिंग साउंड्स आर सेम. हेल्दी, वेल्दी. थ्रोज, क्रोज. सो वी हैव डन with the exercise of our poem Good Morning.